1 year ago today, a queen came to us. 21st August 2020. It was Dynamite. Exactly 1 year ago today, Queen Trendsetter, the ultimate Dynamite came to us. If you are new to this channel, please do like and subscribe first. That would be very encouraging, really. So please do it. I purple you. Wow, I cannot believe it has been a year already. 1 year already? It was like only yesterday, or time passes so fast. Oh my god. Like I literally remember I was in my physics class. Okay, we had a lab session going on online. I literally if my teachers are watching this, I'm a very sincere student. It was only that one day, exception. So I literally said I had a power cut and I dropped out to watch the music video.
You don't want to study. Study.
저 도전은 수도 없이 했죠. 진짜 이번에도 안 되면 그냥 머리나 빡빡 밀고 공부나 하려고 했어요.
Aram, if you're seeing this, I'm sorry.
Meanwhile,
뭐 사실 인생 살다 보면 뭐 잘 못 칠 수도 있거든요. 어쩌보면 수능이 그렇게 중요하지 않을 수도 있어요.
자, 네 맞습니다. 정말 수능 날이 되면 날씨가 추운데요. 이 추운 날씨와는 다르게 따뜻한 결과.
I said what I said, and I'm not changing on it, okay?
When Dynamite dropped, literally everybody was so hyped, and oh my god, I still remember that day so well. I'll tell you, like before, by the time Dynamite was coming back, Dynamite was like my first comeback as an army, as a proper army. I think I was 4 or 5 months old into the fandom. I was not exactly a baby army, maybe not exactly an adult army, not exactly baby army, somewhere in between. It was my first comeback, and it was my first time looking at these streaming goals, comeback deadlines and all that, and that along with everybody, along with all armies, interacting on Twitter, setting goals. It was very, very fun. It was something new. It was a new experience for me. And actually my mom is also an army, so we both streamed together. It was very fun. So I'll tell you, when the teaser released, okay, when this teaser came out, all of us heard the same thing. No, we all heard the same thing. We all thought it was the same thing. We all share the same brains. It was a very funny week on Twitter and on social media especially. God, armies are like, so you know what I'm talking about, right? You know what I'm talking about. This is a PG 13 plus friendly channel, so I'm not going to state it, but you all know what you're talking about. We all heard the same thing from the teaser. It was very funny. I was like in my lab class, like what happens is that they show us a video and you can actually watch the video later also, but usually I watch it in the class, but that day I watched like 10 minutes. I was looking at the time. Dynamite came and I dropped out of the call. Again. And Dynamite came and I went up and I ran and went, and my mom was already watching, and she was like, Vinati, this is next level, this is amazing. Then we started streaming, and it was such an amazing music video, you know. We were watching the premiere together. God, I just had those amazing feelings and excitement and what is that? Endorphin.
What is that? Dopamine. What else? What else are there? All those hormones. But yeah, there is one with A. What is that hormone with A? Adrenaline.
I don't know if that's a hormone. I have not taken biology this year. So, but yeah, adrenaline was so high. Yeah, and then we were streaming, we were watching the music video, we were following all the guidelines as armies gave. Okay, so my dad, he was supportive. So but he liked to, you know, tease us kind of. So he came and he asked us what we were doing. So we were like, we are streaming Dynamite. So he was like, do you have any goals, like streaming goals? We were like, yeah, we have to get 100 million. Our goal was 100 million, you remember, no? For Dynamite, 100 million to break the record, 100 million views in 24 hours.
So 100 million is like how much?
One eternity later.
10 crore views. I hope I got it right. So 100 million is 10 crore views, and when I told my dad we had to get 10 crore views, he was like, not happening. Like, he was like, I understand. This is what he said, okay? I'm quoting his statement.
I understand you as fans love your artist. That is good, but let's look at it realistically. It's not possible. It's not possible for a human to, for a video to be getting 100 million views in 24 hours.
So that's what he said, okay? And I told him very, very confidently. I was just 4 months old in the fandom, but I was very confident. I said,
Dad, you see, BTS and armies are the ones who make dreams come into reality.
I told him we'll get 100 million. So we had a bet on this. We bet something, okay? We bet something. It's like, let's see, okay? So me and my mom religiously streamed day and night, and it was so frustrating, you know? Like, it was around 6 p.m. for me. I think about 10 hours later, after the music video released, about 10 hours later, the deductions in views started. Views were getting deleted, and we were so frustrated, you know, like 10 million views gone in a second. It was my first comeback. Most armies were like, we are used to this, calm down, new armies. But I was so frustrated, me and my mom, because they were just getting deleted just like this, you know. It was so frustrating, but we didn't give up, and armies kept motivating each other. I really loved that feeling, you know. It was like one whole family coming together to support each other, to spread love. It was beautiful. So we were interacting on Twitter, seeing those trends, and trends were like, it's okay, we can do it, don't lose hope, fighting, and those were the trends. It was amazing, you know. And my mom, though, she is an even more dedicated streamer than I. She didn't even sleep that night. We kept screaming until the morning, next morning, okay? Next morning, there was only like 1 or 2 hours left, and we were at 80 million, no, 92 or 93 million. Only 2 hours were left, I think. I remember this. So we were making charts. If we made, we were also making charts in the night actually previously. 80 million in 20 hours, 90 million in 21 hours, like that. If we do, we can get 100 million in 24 hours. We actually made a chart right now. I cannot find it because we shifted houses, but we actually made a chart for that. Literally, it was very, very serious, the whole streaming. Everybody remembers, kada. So it was only like 2 hours were left, and it was so tense. We still had to get almost, I think, 10 million views in just 1 hour, or I think 30 minutes we had to get 10 million views, I think. The amount of nervousness, tension we all had, I can never forget that. We were like just so scared, what will happen, what if we don't reach our goal. So finally 24 hours ended, and the figure I could see on YouTube was 98 million. If I remember correctly, it was 98 million. So I was so sad. I was so upset. I felt really heartbroken, and many armies too, because that was our goal and we thought we could get it. But there was so many view deleting things and everything, and it was so frustrating for us. And the toxic K-poppies, remember, they were all making fun of us.
You couldn't even beat your record. You guys just talk, you don't do anything.
They were trending those hashtags, and it was not helping. It was so toxic for a while, and my dad also. Okay, I was very upset. I was just like this the whole day. My mom was also like this. We lost our bet, we lost our goal, we lost our streaming. So my dad came and asked. He was like, "What happened?" He just like teasing us. He was like, "What happened to this streaming?"
I was like, we got 98 million, which is very close.
He was like, "It is very close, but you guys couldn't." Okay. he was just teasing. Okay, it's not that serious, guys. It's just a bet. But yeah, I was heartbroken. All heartbroken, but still we comforted each other. Ki we still have the record. We broke the record, and BTS must be really happy and proud of us. And 98 million is no joke. It's an amazing record. We still have the record. We did great as a fandom, and we proved ourselves to be the best fandom again. But still, in an exam, when you get 98 or 99, just don't get that one mark, you feel bad, right? That's a very, very valid feeling. We had the same feeling. So yeah, we were really sad. So yeah, for about, I don't know if I'm remembering this correctly, but I think for 1 or 2 days we thought 98 million was the record what we got. And then YouTube statistics came out. Not 98 million. BTS's Dynamite has broken the record of highest number of views in 24 hours by getting 101 million. And at that moment, armies felt like, baby, watch your mouth, it come back around. Once upon a time, we learned how to fly. Look at your mirror, same damn clothes. Somebody stop for me, I'm gonna pop up. Do na 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 na. We all felt like the boss. Like literally everybody who was barking up, who was taunting us, all the toxic K-poppers, we shut their mouths. And it was such a wicked feeling. Literally, people keep commenting, Then I went to my dad. I was like, not 100 million. We got 101 million. Now what do you say? He was actually pretty surprised. But then he was like really odd. He was like, you guys are the best. Literally, he was really impressed. He was very happy also by seeing the amount of connection and determination we as a fandom had. So we got 101 million, and that was literally, those are the kind of moments which go into history. Goosebump wali feeling you get, right? Wow, that was like it's like those are the kind of twists that bring about in a movie, in a cinematic climax kind of thing. I don't know how to express it, but it was such a table turner. It was amazing. Chef's kiss. It is such an amazing moment. That is probably one of the most memorable moment for me as an army, and I think for every army, no matter when you joined, if you were there in Dynamite era, that is a moment we'll never forget. That's it. It's a one of a kind feeling that Dynamite era armies experience. And Dynamite, Queen Dynamite, it changed world history. That is accurate, I'm saying, because the amount of the revolution it brought in the music industry was on another level. I don't even have to talk, right? Just look at the stats, man. And now Dynamite stands at 1.3 billion, as of now when I'm recording. In just 1 year, that's just amazing. And Dynamite will always be an icon, the queen. So I just cannot believe it's been a year. It's been 1 year already. Wow, time passes really fast, guys. And let's always remember that it's not the views, it's not the records, it's not the amount of, you know, records that we break. We have to, the main part is that we enjoy the music. That's the most important part. And I'm sure all of us enjoy the music. We enjoy the amount of love that BTS gives to us. So that is the most important thing, and we already excel in that field. So let's always, treasure these moments that we have and enjoy the best time of our lives. So that was the journey of life is dynamite. Life is dynamite. Shining through the city with a little focus soul. Lighting up like dynamite. Whoa. So since it's 1 year of Dynamite, I want to announce something. Don't go anywhere. Dynamite dance party. Let's do Dynamite dance party. We have previously done Permission to Dance, right? So let's do Dynamite dance party. So this time, please record your dance of Dynamite, and you can do the whole song if possible. If you guys know the whole song choreography, it would be nice. Otherwise, whichever parts you know well, record that and send it to me in the Google form linked in the description. Okay, and I'll make a compilation video just like last time. If you didn't watch the Permission to Dance challenge organized by me, go check it out right now. And the Dynamite dance party is also going to be epic. So last time many of you missed it, so please do not miss it this time. Do put in your best foot forward and send it to me. So today's date is 21st of August. I will be taking entries till 31st of August. Yeah, 31st of August. So you can send me your entries till 31st of August. And 31st of August is, 31st of August is Tuesday. So 31st of August you can send me till midnight. Okay, so do send it, whichever parts you know really well. If you know the whole song, great. Otherwise, if you know a few stanzas or a few parts, you can do that as well. Okay, so I'm looking forward to you guys, and I really recommend, if you don't know the choreography, do learn the choreography, because like we have 10 days time. So it's a very easy song to learn. I myself still not very great at dance. I could learn it in 1 or 2 days. So I'm sure you guys can also do well. So just learn it and try to record as much as you can. I look forward to your entries, and don't go. Listen to what Jin is saying.
Are you ready?
You saw this video, now you should subscribe now. Don't forget to turn on notification. Also watch my previous videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.